pedo con esto? Hey. Okay. Can you guys hear me now? Yep. Okay. I have a question. What is the streaming cam?
Yes. That's a very good question. I have no clue. Probably something for like Twitch streaming. Probably like gives you a camera for Twitch streaming. I don't know.
I'm guessing it might be a different point of view on the screen, because that's what Rec Room does on VR
likely.
Chat. Oh, fuck it. Yeah. There's a ceiling.
I hear people. I don't see people.
Oh, okay.
Do you look at the mech ball thing?
Nope,
Here, I'll
wait.
go stand at that. I'm outside the mech ball thing. Incredible aim today.
Such a fun thing to do, and it's not even the full game.
I know, right?
Because this thing has like oh, look at that, 2 and 2. We can do this. Oh, fuck it. Let him come down.
Wait, I have something to show. Check this out. Yeah. No.
Oh, wow.
That's not what I want to do. Come on. Work.
Really?
There we go.
That was amazing, actually. Come on, it's a laser. How can you miss those shots? Oh, fuck it. Oh no, where is it? Lost it. Who's on my team? Who's on my team?
Where'd it go? I don't know what team I'm on. I'm just playing. Come on, we're 3 people. We can outpower this one guy. Exactly. Let's do it.
No! Yeah, boy!
Oh, fuck.
Get him in!
Over here.
Oh, fucking hell. No. Can't see shit. Where is it? No!
Yeah.
What the fuck is it? Oh, no.
Got it. I got it. No. Oh, I did it.
Wow.
All the way
That
from
was
the other
amazing. Oh, fuck it. What is it?
Just reloading.
Okay. Shouldn't be turning around that much. It's pretty slow to do.
Look at go. Oh. stupid. Yeah,
I need a back window. I need a back window or a mirror or something.
Yeah, I agree. There should be like some sort of like a rear view thing.
Well, but that's the engaging part. You need to use the...
You can stick your head out of the back of the thing and you can actually see through the back of your Mac though.
But that's kind of cheating, isn't it?
No, I can see you though, don't worry.
Good.
No.
What is going on?
I was reloading as soon as that happened. Wait, there we go. Here, I'm coming.
Wait. Move it left. Now, there you go.
Fuck. Okay, wait.
Where the fuck is it?
This is back. What's this?
Away. There you go, away from that place. Fucking hell. Where is it? Don't put it in front of the...
What's going on over there?
There you go, that's a shot. Now we move it forward. Oh no, yes, a little lower. There you go. Get it, boy.
No, I am only one man against an army of lasers.
What's going on?
I'm getting good at my reverse piloting.
Yeah, it helps you on that. I'm actually getting better at aiming and moving and everything.
Yo, I can't see anything. How do I turn on my screen?
Who's on your screen?
How do I mean, like, I can't see outside. I'm just in the cockpit. I can't see anything else.
Oh no! Oh, that was close.
Yeah.
That was fucking close.
Oh, I didn't turn on all the way. Thanks.
Yeah, you gotta turn on your Mac fully, or else it just doesn't do it.
So cool.
Yeah.
Oh, first timer?
Yeah, definitely.
Good shit, bro. I had it for like 5 minutes already, and I'm enjoying it so much.
I know, right? I've had this game for probably 20 minutes, and it's great.
And I'm just playing balls. Fuck it. Not even killing anything. Oh, fuck.
This game is sick.
And once you get a head onto the controls, it's like, yeah, that's the shit.
Absolutely. Like, once you get the controls, it's really fun.
Yeah, I'm not even thinking now. It's just go ahead, do it. Oh, reload, bitch!
Okay, suck at this.
Switch for what? I shoot.
And that switching from one kind of weapon to the other one is a good thing. It's a good thing to have both. Oh, yeah! Oh, that was too much. Not me, boy! Not me! Hit the ball!
What does this button do? That is self-destruct.
Don't use the red button that is covered on the thing. There's the Kurt Cobain button. Don't use it.
Alright.
Wait for it.
I got one thing I gotta do.
Yes! Got this.
Yeah, I'm getting bored.
What do we do? Is there a cooperative
Yo,
mission
guys,
that we can all do together?
How do you reload, everyone?
Move the right joystick.
How do you reload?
Move the right joystick down.
Right joystick?
Right joystick down.